To become a social media manager, follow these steps. 1. Get familiar with platforms. Understand popular social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. 2. Education or training. Consider courses or certifications in social media management, marketing, or related fields. 3. Build your own presence. Showcase your skills by managing your personal social media profiles effectively. 4. Content creation skills. Learn to create engaging posts, including images, videos, and well-written captions. 5. Stay updated. Keep abreast of industry trends and platform changes through blogs, webinars, and online communities. 6. Gain experience. Internships, freelance work, or volunteering can provide practical experience. 7. Analytics proficiency. Learn how to use analytics tools to track and measure post performance. 8. Build a portfolio. Showcase your work in a portfolio to demonstrate your skills and achievements. 9. Apply for positions. Look for social media manager job openings in various industries. 10. Continuous learning. Stay curious, adapt to changes, and keep improving your skills in this dynamic field.